Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse, and as I said in yesterday's video, well, I hope it's yesterday, I am playing with colours for my sign and my bathroom, and so I'm going to use the same colours as I did yesterday on the tile, but I'm going to do different proportions and I'm going to do it on a rock. Now this rock has actually been sitting outside drying because I'd washed it and then it seemed to be growing mould again, having lived outside. So I soaked it in Dettol or disinfectant, for those of you that don't know Dettol, and yeah, it's been sitting out in the sun drying. So you can see I have added a new colour to my range from yesterday. This is an aquary colour that was created just by mixing the Viridian hue and the cobalt blue, and white. So there you go. Under here I have got some of my milk bottle plastic, and if you look back in my history, I'll show you how to make milk bottle sheets like this. I perfected it a bit after this because this one's really wonky. I have peeled what was on there off and moved it on. So I'm just going to use it as a drip tray for this rock, and then whatever drips on it, if it makes pretty patterns, it can just dry there and be awesome. You know what I mean? Are you willing to allow things to be awesome that drip off? Helicopter time. Alright, so we've got cobalt blue, purple made from crimson red and cobalt blue, and some white. Aqua made from Viridian hue and cobalt. We've got some deep yellow, Mars black and white. And let's get painting. Let's get painting, painting. I'm gonna get painting. Let's get a painting. Anyway. How's it getting any better than that? So I'm going to start with white this time. And then we're going to go for some blue. What I noticed yesterday was the lack of contrast in my color scheme, so I'm going to try and put light colors between the dark colors so that when the cells do happen, you actually get some interesting stuff happen rather than just the weird and then let's go for some pink in there, and then I'm just going to splurt some Mars black in. Oops, no splurting happening with that Mars black. Okay, I think I need to clean out my nozzle. Alright, now we only have one layer of each in there except the aqua. So do we stir it? Yes, no. No is lighter. So I'm just gonna, I think this will probably be out in time, maybe. Let's do a travelling ring pour. bit more like just stripes really. I've never poured a rock. Some of you pour lots of rocks. I've never poured one. So let's just try and get this to at least cover all the top without my fingers getting in the way. Come on, down you come. If you're gonna encourage paint with your finger, dip into what's up there and roll it down, and what that does is it kind of carries the pattern a bit. Like that. But it's not doing it. It's just that one more bit. Doesn't need to go over the side. Alright. So wipe my hands. Seeing some cells coming. I do like this purple aqua white combo. That's pretty funky. And the purple, white and black. That's pretty funky too. I think if we had a few more layers, it might have done something different, but that's okay. Wow, check out all those cells. Yummy, yummy cells. Wow. You know what? It's not run all the way down. It's not covered the whole thing. But that's okay. Because that top looks amazing. Ah, that's so cool. I love it. I love it. Now, I'm not sure whether the hot rock is actually going to cause any problems. It might do. I'm going to tip that upside down and let it drain though. So let me get you down and show you what has been created. Yeah, this rock reminds me a bit of a clog. But then from that angle it looks like a car. So it goes from a really pastely yumminess through to a dark, intense, full-on yumminess. It's all just yummy, yummy, yummy. So here is where I encouraged it to, I know this is upside down for you guys, but it's how I'm holding the camera. So you can see it's got air bubbles popping through right down to the rock already, but that's okay. This is just gonna be something that sits at my door. I like it. I like those stripes. There's some, oh, maybe I've worked out how to make lime green. Where's that? That is a great awareness to have. I had been asking about that. How do you make lime green? Guess what? Ask and you shall receive is true. How does it get any better than that? See, look, we've got those dotty bits down there too. And look at the gorgeous pour down the bottom. Yummy rings. let them dry and make some gorgeous pendants out of that. So, pouring on a rock. Let's see how it dries. I'm not sure whether the warm from underneath, the rock itself being warm, will cause any problems, but I'm looking forward to finding out. Alright, this has dried absolutely stunning. I think it's gorgeous and it will do a fantastic job, whatever it chooses to do, whether it's a doorstop or a promotion sign. I might write Mickey out on the side of it and hide it around the town. I did notice though, this green down here is made of some more over here, the Viridian Hue and the deep yellow, and I love it. It is a stunning colour, and you know, it's one of those ask and you shall receives. I had seen somebody using quite a vibrant green. See that there, that sort of bluey green there, that's Viridian Hue, and this yellow up here is the deep yellow, but mixed together they make this wicked as green. Oh, I like that. I think I'm going to be creating that deliberately. I need to start buying Viridian Hue in the 200ml pots, because these 75ml pot ones disappear so quickly. I really like that aquary colour, and those three colours there look really good together. I quite like that combination. And then this over here, stunning! So many things in one pour. How does it get any better than that? How does it get any better? Alright, so if you're having fun, if you want to have fun pouring paint, come join us on Acrylic Pouring for Fun. And if you want to keep in touch with what I'm doing, when I'm going live, what I've just posted in my shop, then jump to mickeyart.com/sign up, and you can sign up for my newsletter. And what else is possible? What else can you create or be or do to have more fun and more ease and more joy in your life and living? Yay! Oh, I suppose some of you are going to say, what's on the bottom? It's still the ugly rock on the bottom. I'm going to just paint that Mars black and make it look decentish, and then seal it. So there we go, guys. What else is possible when you're having fun? I adore you. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.